Welcome to Retro Scale Modelling. For this small tutorial I'm going to be showing you how I make my own filler. This is my filler here. It's coming to an end, it's almost finished, so I'm going to make some more and I thought it would be nice to show you. So in here I have got some cut-up sprue, which is here, so I'm just taking the sprue and just cutting it up into little pieces. So I'm left with all these little bits. Now I take my bottle. Now this bottle is an old Tamiya extra thin bottle, one of these. And the reason why I use one of these is just because it's got a nice screw top on it, and it's also got an application brush. I sometimes use this, or sometimes just use a paint still to apply whatever I need. So I take my cut off sprues and I just plop them in here. Now you want to have about a quarter of the way up. So next what I do is I take cement. Now this is the cement that comes with the starter kits. This is an Airfix one, so it's a Humbrol cement, but Revell cement will do as well. I'm not sure about other brands, but if it's cement specifically designed to make a weld on your plastic, it should work, but you want to test it just in case. So all I do now is take these and just squeeze it into the bowl. We'll put a third one in. And then just give that a stir. Make sure it's all covered. Now I want a little bit more in there, so I'm going to take the remainder because I want to fill this up. Take a good little while for it to completely dissolve. But you're looking at a sort of drop consistency like that. Really good as a filler now. Because it's the actual plastic and cement, it also acts as a bonding agent. So not only does it fill any gaps, it will bond the piece together. And the reason why I use this is because it doesn't shrink when you're filling it, the area. Just making sure that I'm happy with it before I put my cap back on the lid. And yeah. Now, it would look like I can actually put more in here if I want to, and I may well do, but for now I'm just going to leave it like that. Clean my stirrer. So here's the filler. I've let it sit, well, do its thing overnight, not sit, melt. So let's have a look at it. It's quite thick. To be honest with you, it's a little bit thicker than I normally have it, but it will still work. There's a bit too much in it to add more cement, but you can do, if you find that it's too thick, you can add a little bit more cement and that'll thin it down a bit. And this is it here. Actually, the consistency, maybe it's just because I've got too much in it, the consistency is fine. And then that's it. That's all there is to my filler. And that bottle will probably last me about 2 years, maybe a little bit longer. The last one lasted for about 2.5 years, and it wasn't as filled as this. It was only about up just past the halfway mark. So this basically cost me nothing to make. So that's it for this tutorial. If you've got any comments or can suggest a better way to do it, please let me know. I'm always interested to find out new ways as myself. If you haven't done so already, why don't you check out the channel, see what's there. There might be something that you like. Subscribe to the channel for updates. and of course hit that like button. But for now, thank you all very much for watching. Bye bye.